Hey everybody, this is Matt Strauss with MarineMax Danvers. Today we're going to be looking at a Boston Whaler 210 Dauntless. So starting at the back, you're going to see this is powered by a Mercury 200 4-stroke Verado. As we're stepping down into the cockpit area, you're going to see you got a large casting platform to the back, which also flips open to be seating. So if you're hanging out with the family, you have tons of room for that. Moving forward, we do have the adjustable helm seat, so this is going to have 4 different positions, so it's great for when you're up here at the helm, you know, able to sit down, have great field of view, as well as flip it all the way back, watch the kids swimming off the stern. So we'll give you good visibility back towards the stern. Up at your helm, obviously you're going to have your Mercury controls, stainless steel steering wheel with leather trim, Raymarine electronics, both for the multifunction display and our VHF. This boat's also going to come with a Fusion radio and JL speakers. Moving forward, inside the helm there is a head. Just forward of the helm, you're going to have a live well, perfect for keeping any live bait. It's going to have rounded corners, anything you'll need in there. Forward from there, you're going to have a bunch of storage up under here. You're going to have a large fish box, great for keeping life jackets, or if you bring home that catch. And forward of that, we're also going to have the anchor locker. So here you're going to have room to store your anchor, as well as an eye for tying off your bitter end. That's been a tour of the 210 Dauntless. I'm Matt with MarineMax Danvers. Give me a call, 561-400-6721. Thank you.